Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Civic wiper blades. First, make sure you have the correct replacement blades for your vehicle. You'll also want a soft towel to protect your windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. Now, look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll see a small tab or button. To remove the old blade, press that small release tab or button you just located. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade down and off the J-hook on the wiper arm. Be careful not to let the metal arm snap back onto your windshield, as it could cause damage. It's a good idea to place that towel on the glass as a precaution. Now take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firm. Once both new blades are attached, carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. With your new blades installed, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your car and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Watch to make sure they make full contact with the glass and clear away water without leaving any streaks. Good wipers are crucial for safe driving, especially in bad weather. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.